how to set the audio messages to expire after 2 minutes or never on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Settings. Then from the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Apps. After that, scroll down and then tap on Messages. Then we scroll down to the bottom, go to the Audio Messages section and tap on Expire. From the list, you have two options. You can select after 2 minutes or never. So if you select after 2 minutes, then when you send or listen to an audio message, it will automatically be removed from your conversation history after 2 minutes. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to your settings or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.